Okay, so we are going to work on determining parallel lines. So determining that the lines are parallel. So this is for section 3.5. Okay. So our essential question: how can you write parallel and perpendicular equations using slope and a given point? And today is the 12th. Okay, so if they're parallel, okay, so parallel lines have the same slope. They have different y-intercepts. Okay, so everybody, that's their b value. So same slope. Okay, so if you look at it, so we'd have y is equal to mnx plus b, and y is equal to mx plus b. So a different value. Okay, so parallel lines. For perpendicular lines, okay, they're going to be opposite sign, reciprocal, opposite reciprocal, perpendicular. Okay, so opposite sign. So this is so an example would be y is equal to negative 5x plus 3. Okay, and then we're going to take and flip. Okay, so flip it. So an opposite sign, so it's going to be positive 1/5 x plus b. Okay, so this is for perpendicular lines. Okay, so if it's neither, they're going to have different slopes. Okay, so example, y is equal to negative 2x plus 3, and y is equal to 3x plus 8. Okay, so our equations for lines is y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so let's do an example, everybody. Okay, so we have the line. Okay, so let's do an example for parallel. So we have y is equal to 2x. Okay, so this is for parallel lines. Plus 3. Okay, and it's going to be through negative 1, 1. Okay, so we need to write a line that is parallel to it. So we're going to put y is equal to 2x plus b. Okay, because remember, everybody, they have different y-intercepts. Okay, same slope. So same slope, different y-intercepts. Okay, so different y-intercepts. So I'm going to take and I'm going to substitute in. So this is going to be our x1 and our y1. I can write today, everybody. So I'm going to substitute those in. So for 1 is equal to 2 times -1 plus b, because we're going to solve for b. Okay, and then we're going to go, okay, so we do that. So we get -2 plus b is equal to 1. I add +2 to each side, so I get 3. Okay, so now we have, so we're going to take that b value. I'm going to substitute it in. So now we have y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so this has a b value of -2. Same slope. They both have a slope of 2. And this has a b value of 3. Okay, let's do another example. So what if we have, so we have y is equal to 3x minus 5. And we need to write a line that's parallel through the line 1, 5. Okay, so let's do that example, everybody. So I'm going to take, I'm going to put y, same slope, so 3x plus b. Remember, this is going to be x1, y1. So we're going to substitute those in. So we're going to go 5 is equal to 3 times 1 plus b. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so our b value is 2. So we're going to get y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, parallel lines, same slope. Okay, different y-intercepts. Okay, so same slope, different y-intercepts. Okay, let's do some examples for parallel. So this is continuing on our notes for 3.5. So we're doing for parallel. So this is for perpendicular. Y is equal to -2x plus 2 through 2, 3. Okay, so remember opposite signs, so opposite reciprocal, perpendicular. Okay, so we're going to do opposite sign. Okay, so remember if I put this over 1, okay, opposite sign means it's going to become positive. Reciprocal, so 1/2 plus b. I'm going to substitute in 2 for y, not 2, 3. 2 for x. Okay, I'm going to put 2 over 1, whole numbers over 1. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. So now we have y is equal to 1/2 x plus 2. Okay, one more example on these. You got it. Okay, let's have, so we have the line y is equal to 2/3 x plus 3. And we have the point, we need to write a line that's perpendicular that goes through the point 6, 2. Okay, so opposite reciprocal. So we're going to flip it. So 3 halves, opposite sign, so it's positive, so it's going to become a negative. plus b. I'm going to substitute in my x and y values to solve for b. So we're going to get 2 is equal to negative 3 halves times 6 whole numbers over 1. Okay? So everybody, when you're looking at this, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Negative 3 times 3 is 9. So negative 9. Add 9 to each side. B is equal to 11. I'm going to substitute that in. So now we have y is equal to negative 3 halves x plus 11. Okay, everybody, you've got this. So remember, opposite reciprocal, perpendicular, okay? And this is for the slope, for perpendicular lines.